Hi everybody, it's me, Caribbean Andy. We're gonna make another cocktail. So today, we're gonna do another very old cocktail, 1820s, 1830s, nobody knows. But we do have our Jerry Thomas book, his bartender's guide, and we have this recipe from when this book was printed, 1862, as you all know. And that calls for muddling up orange, pineapple, with a sugar cube. Did I say what the drink is going to be? We're going to make a Sherry Cobbler. Today we're going to make a Sherry Cobbler, also known as a cobbler. And Jerry Thomas has a recipe for this from the 1860s, but the drink probably dates back even further ago than that. So Jerry Thomas's recipe calls for muddling pineapple, Constantino Ribaligua, who I've mentioned before. His recipe calls for creme de cacao and cherry hearing. We're not going to do any of those things. But all of those old-timey bar books definitely do have some version of the cobbler in them. And we're going to do just, I guess, it's my little modern take on the recipe. So this is going to be shaken. We're going to serve it in a Collins glass. And we're going to actually serve it over crushed ice, which I have chilling in the freezer right now. And we're using a manzanilla sherry. You might actually want to use something sweeter. Manzanilla is what I keep around the house for cocktails, just because it kind of works for everything. So what you can actually do is just add a little bit more sweetener to your drink. We're going to go ahead and we're going to do 2.5 ounces. And then this is going to be a low ABV drink. It's really nice for drinking in the summertime, hot summer day. You know, we're all hanging out at home. It's very hot outside. You want something that you can drink for long periods of time on end without getting you too drunk. But we are going to put a little bit of bonded rye, just a 1/2 ounce of Old Overholt, just to booze it up a little bit. And we're also going to do a 1/4 ounce of Luxardo Maraschino. Right in there. And then we're going to do a 1/2 ounce of our Pineapple Gomme Syrup. That's going to add some of the thickness that the manzanilla sherry is lacking. And it's a fun little nod to Jerry Thomas's muddled cubes of pineapple that he called for. We're going to do less than a 1/4 ounce of lemon juice, just about a bar spoon of lemon juice to bring out some of the acidity, though the manzanilla sherry is pretty acidic on its own. And we'll do, oh boy, we'll do 1 dash of Angostura bitters, 1 dash of orange bitters, ice our tin, and we'll go ahead and strain it over our shaved ice. Once it fills up there, go ahead and pack a little bit more ice in. This is going to be messy. See if I can edit it out, make it look cool. Just for fun, let's throw some more Ango right on top. You know, that's one of my favorite things to do. And 2 things of note with the Sherry Cobbler. 1, it needs to be garnished. The more garnishes, the better. It's a silly, garish drink, almost tiki-like in the idea of its garnish. So you can do some fresh herbs, mint ideally. You can throw some berries on there. Jerry Thomas actually calls for berries in season. And then we'll also just stick an orange slice in. That's pretty fat. Yeah, that's really full. And then the other fun fact, I know we all hate straws now, but the cobbler is actually what brought the straw to everybody's attention. The cobbler is what made straws popular. So we have to include one with this cocktail. And it does look pretty darn nice. Here you have it, Sherry Cobbler. Thanks to Jerry Thomas and me, Caribbean Andy. It's delicious. It's really light, juicy. You just get hints of pineapple. You can barely taste the rye, just like a hint of spice. And all of these garnishes, I mean, you could certainly eat the mint, but you can definitely eat the raspberry. I'm pretty darn proud of this one. I'm so sweaty. Thank you so much for watching. Making these videos has been so fun for me. I hope it's been fun for you too. If you are enjoying it, hit the thumbs up below. Those likes help me out. And please do subscribe. That'll keep you up to date with all of the cocktails that I'm making every week. Thanks again, everybody. Cheers.